Renewable energy is key to Africa's development. Many businesses in Africa suffer from high cost of electricity than any other part of the world, despite Africa's abundant energy resources.
Therefore, it's essential that Africa invests in its manufacturing and technological-related companies which require reliable, cleaner, and affordable sources of energy.
Miniplast is a plastic manufacturing and recycling company that has been established in Ghana 30 years ago. We sell products out of virgin and recycled plastics all over the region. And for the past 5 years, we have been evaluating and studying the best partners to establish with them a sustainable energy solution, which is the solar solution.
The concept to use renewable energy was a commendable decision made by our board members. Their understanding of current environmental challenges influenced them to find an alternative solution to energy. After meeting with Stella Futura and Empower New Energy, we were confident that they would provide us with a solar system that would be able to supply the power necessary for our operations.
The 20-year power purchase agreement is a successful and replicable model for industry. It brings together the element of financing which is available now through our Empower New Energy partnership. And then we also have a willing off-taker who is strongly motivated to uptake renewables in their energy mix to be sustainable. And we also have ourselves as the engineering, procurement and construction company, as well as the operations and maintenance provider for this installation.
A lot of companies in the past haven't been able to have solar installations made because it usually requires quite a large initial capital investment. But with a business model like us, we've made it possible for clients to enjoy a cheaper and cleaner source of power without actually having to invest in it upfront.
Yes, we are an impact investor. That means that we invest in projects that not only leads to good financial results, but also has a very high impact on local development, supporting the sustainable development goals.
The uniqueness of our contract models that we offer is that they eliminate the requirement for any upfront payment or capex investment by the client. And we're able to offer this model because of our partnership with Empower, who invest in and pre-finance all our joint projects to execute projects for clients like Miniplast.
A 20-year solar contract for Miniplast is a very long-term commitment on our side. And for this reason, it took us a very long time to find the most adequate partners to work with.
Me being an electrical technician, it will really save us the stress from going up and down, switching on and off electrical devices after every power outages.
It will cut down on our expenses when it comes to generation of power. When we are using genset, for instance, the amount of fuel that we'll be using with the solar coming on board, there will be a reduction in that since we'll be getting some energy from the solar as well.
From a recycle perspective, we will be able to produce more production and prevent the plastic waste material from entering the environment.
The biggest benefit that our contract structure gives our customers is certainty. And it is a certainty for Miniplast that we will be able to continue to deliver for the contract term cleanly sourced energy to meet its business demands and its business needs at its premises at a set competitive price.
I would advise any company with power needs to go through a solar solution for sure, but also to use the same modality that we have used with Empower and Stella, because we are not ourselves power manufacturers or power suppliers. We are manufacturers and we have to focus on what we are good at.
We will be a good leader and a good example of using renewable energy and hope that we will see more companies switch.